In Karachi, some want to get lost, some need to be found. These tiny orphans are lost in sleep in the quiet, orderly world of this Pakistani charity, oblivious to the battles raging over their country's future. Some are orphans from their first breath, hastily abandoned by their mothers to live or die on the streets. This is the man who finds them, watches over them. For Abdul Sattar Eidi, caring for the most helpless has been a lifelong mission. If you want to find God, he says, God is here, in them. But he understands how hard it is to see God when you're struggling just to live in a society he says is cruel. To make his point, he takes us to Liari, one of this city's poorest districts. He's greeted like a savior. No wonder. He's a rare hand to help lift them from their suffering.
Eidi Sab, so what are the people here telling you about their problems? What do they want you to help them do?
The biggest problem, he tells me, is poverty. There's no education, no healthcare. The rich take these people's blood, he says, and gives them poverty.